Working on DIY projects or home repairs can get frustrating when your drill lacks power, or the battery dies right when you need it most. Having a reliable, high-performance cordless drill makes all the difference, letting you get the job done smoothly and without interruptions. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best cordless drills available and helping you choose the one that fits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these drills, you'll find links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the CRAFTSMAN 1500 cordless drill, a powerful and convenient tool designed for both home and professional projects. As part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 lineup, it delivers high performance and cordless freedom, allowing you to work anywhere without being restricted by wires. This drill operates on a 20-volt battery, providing enough power for medium-duty drilling and driving tasks. Plus, with its hammer function, you can tackle tougher materials like concrete and brick, making it a versatile and reliable choice. Built with durable steel, it ensures longevity and resilience, even with heavy use. Weighing just 5.4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended projects. The high-performance motor generates 280 unit watts out, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Additionally, the 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck provides a secure grip on drill bits, preventing slipping during operation. With an impact rate of 25,500 blows per minute, this drill ensures fast and efficient drilling. The 2-speed gearbox adds even more control and flexibility, allowing you to switch between precision driving and heavy-duty drilling with ease. It comes with V20 lithium-ion batteries that offer longer runtime and reliable performance. The fast charger powers up the battery in under 60 minutes, so you can keep working without long delays. Plus, it's Versatrack compatible, making storage and organization simple. With power, comfort, and versatility packed into one tool, the cordless drill is the perfect choice for anyone looking for professional-grade performance in their drilling and fastening projects. Next up, we have the DEKOPRO 1350 cordless drill, a reliable and versatile choice for your DIY projects. Whether you're working with wood, metal, ceramic, or plastic, this drill is built to handle a wide range of materials with ease. Powered by a 20-volt, 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, you'll enjoy the freedom of cordless convenience without the hassle of tangled wires. It features 2 variable speed settings, ranging from 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1350 RPM, allowing you to adjust the power to suit each task. Plus, with 18+1 torquey settings, you get precision and efficiency, whether you're tightening screws or drilling into tougher surfaces. Designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, this drill weighs just 2.5 pounds, making it comfortable to use for extended periods without straining your hands. The complete drill bit set includes 10 drill bits, 10 screwdriver bits, 6 pointed bits, and 4 nut drivers, giving you everything you need for a variety of DIY projects. It also comes with a 60mm magnetic bit holder, making bit changes quick and hassle-free. If you're looking for power, versatility, and comfort in one tool, the DEKOPRO 1350 is a fantastic option. With its ergonomic design and full set of accessories, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. A dependable tool to take your projects to the next level. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the DEWALT 1500 cordless drill, a powerful and portable tool designed for efficient drilling and fastening. Since it runs on battery power, you get unmatched mobility, allowing you to work freely without the hassle of cords. With a maximum speed of 1,500 RPM, this drill ensures fast and precise performance for both drilling and screw-driving tasks. Its 20-volt power output delivers more strength than lower voltage models, making it a great choice for medium to heavy-duty projects. Equipped with a 1.3 amp-hour battery, it provides consistent performance even during extended use. Plus, with a maximum torque of 532 inch-pounds, it offers impressive force for a wide range of applications. This model is fully portable, making it ideal for job sites or areas without direct power access. It also includes 5 screwdriver drill bits, a handy addition for tackling multiple tasks or projects without switching tools constantly. The ergonomic design enhances comfort during prolonged use, while its compact dimensions, 13.9 inches long, 9.9 inches wide, and 4.3 inches high, make it easy to store and transport. If you're looking for the perfect balance of power and size, the cordless drill is a solid choice, whether you're a professional or tackling advanced DIY projects. Now let's move on to the MILWAUKEE 1800 cordless drill, a powerful yet compact tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you need a drill that fits into tight spaces without compromising performance, this is the one for you. With a length of just 7.8 inches, it allows you to work in hard-to-reach areas with ease. It features 18 adjustable torque settings, giving you full control over power and precision depending on the task. The built-in LED light ensures better visibility in dark spaces, and the battery level indicator keeps you informed so you're never caught off guard. With a maximum speed of 1,800 RPM, this drill delivers fast and precise drilling. Plus, its 18-volt, 10-amp-hour battery provides consistent power and cord-free convenience, even for extended projects. One of its standout features is RedLink overload protection, which prevents overheating and extends the life of both the tool and the battery. It also boasts an all-metal transmission, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Swapping accessories is effortless thanks to its half-inch keyless chuck, which is compatible with most standard drill bits. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this drill reduces hand fatigue, making it comfortable to use for long periods. If you're looking for a balance of power, convenience, and reliability, the cordless drill is a solid choice for any project, whether at home or on the job. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we present the DEKOPRO 800 cordless drill, a lightweight yet powerful tool designed to make drilling and fastening tasks effortless. This model is ideal for working with wood and plastic, though it's not intended for tougher materials like masonry or concrete. Thanks to its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 1.65 pounds, you can operate it with just one hand, making it perfect for home projects. With a maximum speed of 800 RPM, this drill gives you smooth and precise control, thanks to its variable speed trigger. Just press the switch to adjust the speed as needed. It also features a forward and reverse switch, allowing you to change rotation direction quickly and even lock the button for added safety. One of its standout features is the 8-volt, 2,000 milliamp-hour battery, which provides consistent, long-lasting performance, so you can work without interruptions. Plus, its USB-C charger makes recharging quick and hassle-free. This drill comes with an impressive 42-piece accessory kit, including a torpedo level, connectors, and screw caps, giving you everything you need for a variety of tasks. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows you to use different drill bits, making it even more versatile. If you're looking for a practical, easy-to-use cordless drill that's lightweight, efficient, and packed with useful accessories, the cordless drill is a great choice for all your DIY projects at home. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect cordless drill, or if there's another cordless drill you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.